Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. This is a BMW M5 4.4 litre petrol. Now, I've worked on a lot of different cars in the past. If you are getting this sort of noise, I'll let you listen to it first. This sort of ticking noise, okay? If you are getting this sort of noise, I would not worry about it. This is normal. It depends on the oil grade you put in. It depends on the engine temperature. If it's cold start, it will do it more than hot. And if you have left the engine running like this on idle for a lot, if you're doing internal runs within the city, you will get this noise and it will be worse. It's always best to give it a good blast. I'm not saying go kill yourself and do silly speeds. I'm just saying do your normal 50 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, go through the gears. This will also kind of lower the tone of the ticking noise, but that is normal if you ask me. But if you are getting a loud banging noise, then yeah, that would definitely need looking into. However, in this case, it all looks fine.